Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials, VS Code and Live Server. Open the project folder now and create index. HTML. Once done, add a basic HTML skeleton, HTML head body. Save the file and name it index. HTML so Live Server recognizes it. Make sure file encoding is UTF-8 and line endings are consistent. This initial structure gives you a live document to edit and preview. It speeds development by showing changes immediately without manual refresh. You'll edit with speed. Use Emmet to expand snippets and navigate with Go to Definition or Peek for linked files. Once you've added markup, open the built-in terminal to run npm or tooling if needed. Split the editor to view CSS alongside HTML and drag files between panes. Start Live Server to open a browser tab that reloads on every save. This shows why incremental edits are effective. Keep an eye on the VS Code Problems panel for syntax warnings as you code. You're finishing up. Validate your markup, link CSS and JS, and test interactions in the browser. Make sure assets use correct relative paths and that scripts run after DOM load. If styles look off, inspect elements and check specificity. For builds, run any watch tasks from the terminal. If Live Server fails to launch, restart VS Code, confirm the workspace is trusted, and check that no other process occupies the port. These steps fix most issues quickly, so you can continue coding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.